Yeah, guess who's back with another hair video? This was meant to come up on Tuesday, but it came up on Thursday instead. Hope you enjoy it. Watch. Okay, bye. They call me sassy. Alright, welcome back, guys. And yes, my hair is growing. I've been giving you tips, but since you are not watching, I didn't stress myself again. But if you're interested, leave it in the comments. Then I'll give you tips on how I'm growing my natural hair. So I'm going to first start by actually parting the hair the way I want it to fall, where I want the cornrows to end, and where I want the braids to start. So from the middle, because yeah, I love maths, I'll just part to the other horizontal side and as well as the other horizontal side, and then I'll just play that aside, and yeah, I'll be back. Okay, once that is done, we'll go ahead to section the back. The color contrast in the back was horrible. You guys, I'm not used to filming in this bathroom setting. Like the bathroom I'm used to filming in, the lights, everything is appropriate. But you see here, oh no, it was such a struggle. Anyway, let's just go ahead to pat the back, and of course my love for precision is gonna make sure that that line is straight enough. If I don't see perfection, I don't see progress. I'm sorry, but that's just me. Yeah, so put the hand in the middle and just make sure that that part is straight enough. And once I'm done, I'll go ahead to start braiding. And you guys, if you actually want the detail on, well, yeah, this was when I decided to settle. Don't settle, you guys, don't settle. Anyway, so if you guys want a detailed tutorial on how I actually braid my hair, French coils, go ahead to follow the link on the upper right corner, and this is the braids I use. If you've watched my former video, then you know that, yeah, darling braids, French coils. Anyway, go ahead to part the back and then start braiding. Section it out, braid the other one apart, and then you start with one braid. Okay, Moyo, okay, one, that's one. Braid for the second time, two, and you feed in. So for feeding in, add apart, one, two, enter, feed in, then do again, one, two, enter, feed in. So basically that's how it's going to be going until you get it right. All right, okay, so once you get to the end, you just feed in again to hide part of the hair and feed in for volume as well. So yeah, see you in a sec. Okay, so once I check the length and everything is given, then I'll just go ahead to braid asides, like without the camera. And yeah, this is how the brown at the back is looking like. I was going to go for like a peekaboo kind of braid, but towards the end of it, I just said that, you know what, it's not what it's not what my struggle. So I went for like a funky kind of like look, like with the peekaboo at the back, and then like some other colors like in front, like same color, but kind of like up and down basically. So once I'm done parting that side, now we actually do the main tutorial of the braids, because that one, it was an error. Okay, don't take that one seriously, take this one seriously. All right, so I'm going to start with the black. That's what I was trying to explain, that I'm doing the peekaboo braids, and once I'm done like picking the sets I want to use to fit in, I'll just go ahead to put the remaining batch on that side and then braid. So as I said in the beginning, you go one, two, and once that is done, you feed in, put apart, one, two, enter, feed in, then one, to enter, feed in. So I just do this whole feed in entire process for about 4 times until I'm pretty sure like that's the kind of volume I want on the braid. So once I'm sure that's the volume I want on the braid, I'll just go ahead to flip my hands over and just, you know, start braiding down. So once we get to the part that I will be adding more braid, I'll come in. Okay, so now that I've flipped my hands, once I get towards the part that my hair actually starts to thin out, I'll just go ahead to add one more braid. So this is basically to make the braid not seem like it just like fell from like a mountain down. So this one is just kind of going to like, is going to, you know, be there for my braids. It's going to be there for like where my hair actually stopped, so that it will give it like an equal volume from up down, and it won't just go like pencil. It won't just go from full to thin, you get. Okay, so now we start from the actual cornrows. So for this cornrow, if you don't know how to cornrow, please watch my other videos. I may have some in my description box below. Yeah, so go ahead to the no, I didn't actually detangle because I detangled at the beginning. So I'll just go ahead to section my hair. I'm already done with the other half. Now I'm just going to copy and paste what I did in the other half to this half, hopefully neater as well. So once I'm done parting my hair, I'm going to start with my actual hair. And I told you guys I would just go, sometimes I just, no, every time I just like pick the stuff on the bathroom sink and then I get ready to fit in. So yeah, I'm just going to start with my hair and then start tiny before I start fitting in. This is just to make sure, 1, my hair doesn't cut, 2, my hair does not cut, because it's very important that my hair doesn't cut. So once I'm done, I'll just fit in. And to fit in, this part is quite difficult to understand, so, or to explain actually, so just watch it. And yeah, okay. Now that we've both watched that part and hopefully we understand, I'll just go ahead to show you how I knot my hair. So to knot it, I basically wrap around my hand and then I go ahead to put it in. So again, watch my other videos on French coil if you haven't. So once I'm done wrapping it around my hand and putting it in, I'll go ahead to divide the remaining into two, wrap it again, wrap slow. See, I'm trying my best, slowly wrap around my hand, wrap around the braids, put it inside the one in my hand, then again, then half it again and do it again until it's finally okay and stable. Yeah, we want it to be stable. So yeah, again, let's try to do this cornrow again in a very understandable way. So basically just braid like you braid your normal cornrow, and once you get to a point you feel you're going to be comfortable fitting in, just fit in inside the hair and leave out, put in, braid, fit in, leave out, put in, braid, fit in. Basically, yeah, I have a feeling I've confused you. Anyway, see you guys towards the end. Guys, let me give you a brief story of my life. So basically just make sure that you detangle and cut the tips and then try to twist it accordingly. Anyway, let me just give you a quick story of my life. So you see, on this day I was very late for my train. So basically I was going to London, and then I was braiding my hair. Like, my planning was so bad. I just finished braiding my hair. This was like around 9 a.m. My train was around 11. So I've not packed, I've not done anything. God, I swear nobody used to rush past me in this life. Nobody can rush past me. I will boast about it. Nobody can rush past me. So just basically go ahead to just twirl your hair in a way that follows the curl pattern of the hair. That way everything just actually stays in place. And yeah, that's basically the end of the video. Hope you guys liked watching me ramble and talk and do things that I actually like, because I like looking good. So if I have the chance, of course I'm going to film it. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Obviously you can see I couldn't even wait. I was like, we have to go, but yeah, that's fine. And I didn't even film like the result video until this was like 5 days or 1 week after carrying this hair. And then I'm like, come on, I've not actually filmed the end of the video. And then I'm like, you know what, let's just go and film it. So hope you enjoy. See you guys in my next video. Peace, bye.
Don't call me mean, I just want someone to love me.